In this video, I'll show you how to use the long position and short position tools in TradingView to plan and visualize your trades. To get started, look on the left side of your TradingView screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar. Hover over the icons until you find the Forecasting and Measurement Tools section. Inside, you'll see both long position and short position. These tools help you map out entries, take profit targets, and stop-loss levels directly on your chart. Let's start with the long position tool. Click the icon, then click anywhere on your chart where you want to place your trade. You'll see a box appear with a green zone on top and a red zone below. The green zone represents your potential profit, while the red zone shows your possible loss if the trade goes against you. This helps you instantly visualize your risk-to-reward ratio. Next, click on the short position tool. Place it on your chart where you think a good short setup might be. This time, the red area is above your entry point, and the green area is below because in a short trade, you profit when the price moves down. To adjust your setup, simply double-click the tool you placed. A settings window will open where you can edit your entry, take profit, stop loss, and even the position size. Experimenting with these helps you practice planning trades with discipline. And that's it. You've learned how to use the long and short position tools in TradingView to plan, visualize, and manage your trades more effectively. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick TradingView tutorials.